July, and it is hot as shit. Thankfully, I have AC in the garage, but still, it doesn't make the fact any less bad that it's fucking hot outside. So, all right, lots happened in a month. Sold the Model A, went to a great home in New York. People love the car and are going to pretty much keep it as I had it. So I'm very thankful for that. As you might see, there's a little something peeking out right behind my shoulder there. And I got the whole thing of the Model A being sold was I wanted one of these cars for a long time. So, a pre-war pile up, hanging out with my buddies, and my buddy Cadillac said that it's like graduating, bumping up to one of these. So I've had Model A's forever. I've never had anything of a 32, 33, or 34. I wanted a 33, 34 because everybody does freaking 32s, and they're nice, just the price point's just not there. The 33, 34s, the price point's insane on these things too, but I was able to get this car, rust-free, survivor car from Kansas. And it was in a price point that a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but it puts me into a car that I'm happy with, and the bones are great on it. So without any further ado, I'll give you a little teaser shot there. All right, I'll switch you around. So you'll notice on the roof line, there's these couple spots that are really rough. Granted, this door is not completely shut. Now it is. But this is where the barn that it was in its slumber fell over on top of the car. So it fell here, and then it also fell back here and kind of dented things up a little bit. I talked to my paintless dent guy, and he thinks he can get all of this out. So we're going to do the best we can and try to make that as nice as we can without totally trashing this original paint. So this is where the previous owner decided to try to sand, do something to get that little bit of red pinstripe off of there because he didn't like it. So I don't know, we'll see. These things have been painted a couple times. Some jackass painted them red. These are the original fenders to this car. They were never off of it, so evidently before it went to its slumber, some asshole started painting red on this thing. So there ain't no telling what all kinds of stories this car has had, but it's cool. You know, I wanted one of these for a while, and now I own one. So don't give up on your dreams, guys. Life is way too short to drive boring cars. And I will always love Model A's, and I'm always gonna love banger motors and flatheads and shit like that. And it's just, sometimes you got to give up one thing to get another, and I've only got room for 1 and 2 in here, and until I get more room, we're going to just keep it at a 2-car fleet. So hopefully y'all enjoy this, and hopefully y'all stay tuned for what all is going to be coming, because my plan is once this thing's done is to try to drive it just about everywhere. Maybe trailer it for a couple longer hauls, but all in all, the plan is to drive this car as much as possible. So stay tuned. I'll update you more as we go along. And hope everyone's having a great one. Take care of yourselves. Be good to everybody. And from here at Big Kev's Chop Shop, man, signing off. Hopefully y'all have a good one.